Hello everyone, this is Professor Govind. Let's talk today about what impact does e-commerce has on business models. As we all know, in today's modern technological era, most of us prefer to have e-commerce applications rather than traditional or say routine business applications. Be it a business organization or a consumer, what we prefer on this date is to have online applications or e-commerce applications. Let us see some of the reasons why do we prefer e-commerce applications over traditional applications. What impact does e-commerce has on business models? Let us have a look. Innovative users of internet have produced global competition with sellers being able to reach any potential customer in the world. We have got two sides of this coin. Because e-commerce service is available through internet, with the help of internet, we can have global consumers or global customers, which means our business is not restricted to any particular area or region. We can have global consumers as the information is displayed on internet, which is a global platform to display our information. But as we have consumers available globally, we can also have global competitors. We also will have global competitors, which means we'll have to increase the standard of our products or the services that our company is rendering. This is true both in case of large retailers and for those who are selling in function market. So this applies both to large retailers and also for the people who are playing in function market with small products or small amount of services. Technology has increased information density. The quality and quantity of information about products and services. One of the major feature, one of the major advantage of having e-commerce is as a business we can put in lot amount of information about the product that our company produces, or we can display information about the services that our company is providing. We can display lot amount of information or huge amount of information, and we can display such information in the most effective manner. And as a consumer we can access lot amount of information. We can have lot amount of information about the product or the service that a company is giving. Customization is one of the ability to create custom products or services on demand. Now this applies to some of the products or services wherein as a consumer we can ask for customized products or modified products or the services on demand. And as a company or a business organization, upon receiving such a request, upon receiving such suggestions, we can have customized products or we can have customized services on demand for particular customers. For example, Dell customers can customize their functions of PC. We can modify or we can function some of the functions of the PC by suggesting or by requesting such function online to the company of Dell. Ubiquity and accessibility is one of the feature, one of the impact of EC. Ubiquity in case of e-commerce is the ability to access online service anytime and from anywhere. Ubiquity is one of the service or one of the feature of e-commerce that allows your users, that allows your customers to access your information anytime and from anywhere. And in turn, as a company, you should be reachable at any place and any time. Ubiquity, it means that it allows users to access networks from any place, anywhere, at any time, and in turn to be reachable at any place and any time. And all the companies who are into e-commerce, they need to agree upon some of the technical standards. They need to agree upon universal standards so that they can communicate with each other and they can communicate with global consumers or customers. The technical standards of internet Therefore, conducting e-commerce are should be shared by all the nations in the world. Throughout the world, globally, we should have the global standards of technology. We should have the universal standards, and that is what we have. And because of this reason, we are able to exchange information, be it an e-commerce application or any other application. Because of these universal standards, we are able to exchange information or transfer information from one part of the world to the other part of the world, because all the technologies, all the computers, all the networks, they agree upon universal standards. All the computers and all the networks throughout the world, they follow same standards in the network applications. Let's now talk about something called information highway. Information highway, or information also called as information super highway, is a high-speed global communication network that can carry data, voice, video and other services around the world using technologies such as satellite, optical fiber or cellular telecommunications. Information superhighway allows us to share information, to connect and to communicate as a global community. Now in this competitive world, in this competitive and technological world, market forces are influencing to have something called as superhighway, which allows them or which allows customers to share information over a platform which can transmit data at quick speed or quick pace. E-commerce activities require a network infrastructure, also referred as multimedia superhighway or I-way. This is a high capacity two-way electronic pipeline which is capable of providing access to a large number of e-commerce applications. As day by day, consumers of e-commerce are increasing. Almost 70 to 80% of the people are using e-commerce in this modern era. So in order to manage or in order to give smooth or in order to give smooth service to them, technology called I-way, technology called superhighway, information superhighway, is something which is recommended by most of the companies. Using such a service called highway or I-way, people can transmit information at high speed. People can access information at high speed, which is capable of transferring any kind of data, be it a voice data, video, animation or any kind of textual data. So such a platform most of the e-commerce applications are demanding for. Thank you everyone.